Good morning, grade 6. So today we will have our new topic. After having the discussion of adding like and unlike fractions, we will use it in our third lesson. So we have here figures. Okay? So it's asking what would be the improper fraction and mixed number of this figure. Okay, when you say improper fraction, the numerator is greater than the denominator. So the numerator is the shaded part. So if we will count how many shaded parts are there are 19. And how many slices in one circle? There are 6. Okay, so the improper fraction of this figure would be 19 over 6. How about the mixed number? When you say mixed number, it is consist of a whole number and improper fraction. When you say whole number, there is no cutted part. It's still a whole. Okay, so look at here. How many whole do we have here? Okay, it's 3. And what would be the remaining part? Yes, correct. It is 1 over 6. So the mixed number would be 3 and 1/6. So today we are discussing about adding mixed numbers in Block 1, Lesson 3. So our aim for today would be students will be able to add mixed numbers. Again, mixed numbers are consist of a whole number and improper proper fraction. So this would be our activity. Instruction. First, we need to convert the mixed number into improper fractions. Next, identify the fraction if it is like or unlike fraction and add them using the steps you have learned in lesson 1 and 2. So this would be our activity. In letter A, we have 6 and 9 over 11 plus 7 and 10 over 11. In letter B, we have 6 and 8 over 12 plus 4 and 13 over 15. Okay, so in letter A, first we need to convert mixed number to improper fraction. By how? If you still remember in grade 5, I have taught you about to convert mixed number into improper fraction and convert improper fraction to mixed number. So how we can do it? First, we need to multiply our denominator through the whole number and the result would be add to our numerator. Okay, let's have 11 times 6, that is 66 plus 9. We got 75. So we need to copy our denominator, which is 11. Do not forget the operation addition. And let's go with the next one. Again, denominator times the whole number, then the result would be add to our numerator. So 11 times 7, that is 77 plus 10, it's 87. And copy the denominator. So as you observe, 75 over 11 plus 87 over 11 of are like fractions because they have the same denominator. So in a rule, in adding a like fraction, we'll just copy the denominator and add our numerator. So Copy the denominator 11. 75 plus 87, we got 162. Is it our simplified answer? No. Enable for us to simplify this answer because our equation or the oh yes, the equation are mixed number. We need to convert this answer into mixed number. So how can we convert improper fraction, this one, 162 over 11, into mixed number? So we'll just divide it. 162 divided by 11, we got the whole number of 15. Sorry, it's 14. Copy the denominator, and how many is the remaining? It is 8. So this would be our answer. 14 and 8 over 11. Okay, let's go with the second activity. Larry B. So we have here the equation of 6 and 8 over 12 plus 4 and 13 over 15. So first thing that we do, we need to convert mixed number to improper fraction. Okay, let's convert the same process. We need to multiply our denominator to the whole number, then the result would be added to our numerator. Okay, so 12 times 6 plus 8 would be 80. Copy our denominator plus 15 times 4, and the result would be added to our numerator 13. So we got 73 and copy the denominator. So as you can see, the given or the converted mixed number to improper fraction are unlike fraction because they have different denominator, which is 12 and 15. So what will we do when we are adding unlike fractions? Okay, the first thing we do when we have unlike fraction, we need to find the least common multiple of the denominator. Okay, so we have here the least common denominator of 12. 12, 34, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120. How about 15? So we have here 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120. If you will observe, the least common multiple between 12 and 15 would be 60. So 60 would be our new denominator. Next, we need to divide the LCM to denominator, then multiply it in each numerator. Okay, 60. So 60 divided by 12 would be 5. So 80 times 5 plus 60 divided by 15, that is 4. 73 times 4. So now that we have the same denominator, we need to have a smooth solution or solving our mixed number. Okay, so we have here 80 times 5, that is 400 plus 73. Okay, here 73 times 4, that is 292, and copy our denominator 60. Add, okay, add it. 400 plus 292, we got 692 over, copy our denominator 60. Is this our final answer? No. As you can see, it has a big number. Improper fraction. Di ba I told you when you got a greater number, enable for us to simplify it, we need to factor it to find the factors. If we will have the tree diagram, it could be the ladder, it could be. Okay, so the factors of 692 would be 2 times 2 times 173. In 60, that is 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Where did I get these factors? I get this one by tree diagram that we mostly do. Now, cancel out those numbers that are similar to your numerator and denominator. So the remaining is 173 over 3 times 5, that is 15. So is this our final answer? Not yet, because it's still improper fraction. So we need to divide it. 173 divided by 15. Your answer. So that is the answer of our letter B. So what if your addend is missing? So we have here 3 and 4, 8 plus blank is equal to 8 over 8 and 7 over 8. So enable for us to find the missing addends, we will subtract our sum to the other addend. So we will come up with 8 and 7 over 8 minus 3 and 4 over 8. So as you can see here, it is a mixed number. So we need to convert it into, very good. We need to convert it into improper fraction. So 8 times 8, the result will be added to 7. We got 71, and copy your denominator. Minus 8 times 3, we got the answer of 24 plus 8, we got 28 over 8, which is copied by our denominator. Now that we have similar denominator, we need to subtract our numerator and copy our denominator because they are just the same. Equals 71 minus 28, we got 43 over 8. Is this our final answer? No. We need to convert it in a mixed number. So 43 divided by 8, that is, the whole number would be your answer, or the quotient 5. Copy the denominator 8, and your remaining would be your numerator 3. So this is the final answer. 5 and 38. So now that you know how to find mixed number or adding mixed number using with the fractions or the rules of like and unlike fractions, you can now proceed answering your workbook. Sit work number 3, page 7, and do not forget to answer your practice question block 1, lesson 3, questions 1 to 3 from the exit book or content book. So that would be all for today. God bless.